Welcome friends, welcome to BTech Study Help. Today we are going to discuss about a very general topic, that is how to study engineering. And it's not only about engineering, it's about it. I will discuss about the basic points which you will need whenever you study any subject. It's not only about engineering. Okay. So it is very generalized thing, and uh, it is actually about your mindset, how you have to make up your mind before you start the actual study. So let us see the thing first. So our target is to study effectively. First point is, in case of engineering, you have to study at least for 2 hours daily. Study for 2 hours on daily basis. If not daily, at least try to stick to this routine. Okay. It will be helpful in long run. In your semester, you have 6 months in a semester, and you should follow this routine at least for 3 months, last 3 months, so that uh, before the semester it will not get on your nerves. The second point is, while you study, keep a notebook and a copy. So while you read, just after reading, after understanding the concept, try to note it down in some kind of paper or notebook. Third point is, draw diagrams. You should draw diagrams as much as you can. So you're reading at the same time you're writing and drawing. All of this will lead to high retention power. So you will remember concepts for longer time. That is why this point 2 and 3 are important. Fourth point is, solve numericals as much as possible. So basically what happens is, let's say you are studying transistor, and there are a lot of concepts. There are a lot of concepts that you will come to know while studying transistor. A lot of concepts are there. Many characteristics, many configurations, operation mode, and a lot of other things, parameters that you will have to find out. So for this reason, as you study, you will get to know about all those formulae and expressions. Okay, now the problem is that while you're reading and writing and drawing, the chances are very high that you will remember all these concepts for longer time. That is what I have already told you. But to make this process more effective and to remember things for much longer time, you should always solve numericals as much as you can, because when you solve the numerical, you will think about lot of concepts which you have studied. And if not using them directly, at least indirectly, you will be thinking about so many things at once. So this will charge up your brain. This will uh, nourish your brain for longer retention of what you have studied. So that is why solving numericals is very much important for your retention, memory retention, as well as for your examination also. Okay, so then the fifth important point is revise on weekly basis, weekly and monthly also, monthly basis. So the thing is that whatever you study throughout the week, you have to uh, revise them all together in the weekend. And you will study, you will revise all those concepts or chapters that you have studied throughout the week. And at the end of the month, you will revise whatever you have studied for last 4 weeks, which means throughout the month, whatever you have studied, you will revise at the end of the month. So this will again foolproof the memory retention. Okay. So these 5 points are very important while studying, not only for engineering, for any subject, for any serious uh, studies. Okay, so this is very important. Hope this helps you. And in case any question arise in your mind, you may feel free to ask me. I will try to resolve your question, your point. Thank you. All the best.